love it.
How was your experience with Benny?
It was awesome. He's amazing. He was gentle. He explained all the steps, everything I need to know for aftercare, and I love it. It's beautiful.
Let's see, turn around, give us a little twirl.
Thank you guys so much. I love it.
So what more or less separates this experience from any other experience that you've had with other treatments?
Honestly, I had keratin once several years ago, and it was nothing like this. It was still curly after I washed it, and this time he actually washed it so I can see that it's still straight afterwards, and that was really, really impressive. Thank you, Benny.